The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Moto G7 Power for Verizon Prepaid. So Verizon Prepaid now has the Moto G7 Power. So this is really cool. So it's available now. It's available for $244 retail price. So a bit steep there, but y'all guys know Verizon. They charge a lot for a phone, so do keep it in mind. It's available in 32 gigs and a marine blue color that y'all guys see right there. It does have a notch. So there you go. I did like the clock down the Moto G7 Power with a nice clock and stuff. So your power button's on the right side and your RAM button's also on the right side as well. So let's check out the Moto G7 Power for Verizon Prepaid. It says stay fueled up for days and stay fueled up for days on end with the Moto G7 Power Prepaid. This sleek, comfortable smartphone doesn't just rock a new This sleek, comfortable smartphone doesn't just rock a next level 5,000 mAh battery. It also comes with a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 octa-core processor and 3 GB of built-in memory, 3 GB of RAM, that is. Catch every detail on a cinematic 6.2-inch HD Plus Max Vision 19:9 display, and capture life's best moments on a 12-megapixel rear-facing camera and 8-megapixel front-facing camera. Verizon is your destination for the hottest phones like the Moto G7 Power, all on the nation's most awarded network. Right? So there's the phone. The nice looking phone, so like that. There's the back of it. It has your Verizon logo, your fingerprint, camera, and camera flash. It's available in blue here. I'm not a fan of the color. I'm not a fan of it. But if you guys like the phone in blue, then go get it. You know what I'm saying? So there it is on the back. It has one camera on the back, camera flash, and fingerprint sensor right here. So that's what phone looks like on all sides. So the Moto G7 Power has 26.5 days of standby time. It's 92 hours of usage time, 12 megapixel rear-facing camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 3 inches in width, and 6.33 inches in height there. Power for up to 3 days. Go up to 3 days before having to stop for a refill. And with 15-watt turbo power charging, will get hours of battery, and you'll get hours of battery life in just a matter of minutes. So this has rapid charging here, so that's so good. More to see. Catch up on your favorite shows and watch the latest movies on the spacious 6.2-inch AC Plus Max Vision 19:9 display. The Moto G7 Power supports more than 78% screen-to-body ratio for an enhanced viewing experience. Fast and responsive. Enjoy a smoother, faster user experience with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 octa-core processor. 3 GB of built-in memory lets you watch movies, run apps, and play games with less lag and better performance. Alright, so that's a win. Take the shot. Get help capturing those once-in-a-lifetime moments. A 12 megapixel rear-facing camera, rear-facing text and autofocus focuses on your subject. Faster and increased pixel clarity, and with large pixels and whatever the hell that is, million pixels and shit. It lets more light in for enhanced photos. Tap down launch. No need for long and complicated passwords. Keep your data and conversations private using the Moto Batwing fingerprint reader, which is right here. The fingerprint sensor is right here. Quick actions. Access important features with natural, simple gestures. Moto actions make navigating your device a breeze. Just lift to unlock, gently twist your wrist to open the camera, or tap your screen with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So it has all the motor actions on here. So if you did a chop will turn on the flashlight and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. The Moto G7 Power is a 4G phone, of course, has LTE advanced from Verizon, with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 456 booster codes. It's a real device, what that means you can use it in over 200 countries depending on the plan. 26.5 days of standby time, 70 hours of usage time, 12 megapixel rear facing camera, 8 megapixel front facing camera. The Moto G7 Power weighs 6.98 ounces. The height of the phone is 6.33 inches. The width of the phone is 3 inches. The depth is 0.37 inches. The Moto G7 Power has a 6.2 inch HD plus 19:9 display. That's 1520 by 720 pixels at 282 ppi there. 5000 mAh Android, 5000 mAh battery. Android Pie, 32 GB of storage, 3 GB of RAM. Micro SD cards up to 512 gigabytes. It also has Wi-Fi, of course, Wi-Fi 802.11, APGN, dual band Wi-Fi, octa-core 1.8 GHz Snapdragon 632. It also has HD voice, which lets you experience HD voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data, enable Wi-Fi calling, and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. If you guys need help with your Moto G7 Power, Verizon's here, tap L5 with device support, so you guys can learn how to Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, email, stuff like that. Device support can help you out with that, so check it out. And what you guys get in the box is nothing special. You guys get the Moto G7 Power, the charger, USB-C cable, SIM tool, and the guide, and that's pretty much it. So no headphones or anything like that. So there you guys have it. The Moto G7 Power is not available at Verizon Prepaid for $240. So if you guys want this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It means a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.